Hi guys, I'm Rick.
And I'm Jen with Travely Hospitality. We are so happy to have you here. We're kicking off our investment and real estate soiree.
We've invited some of our favorite vendors to help showcase the property and the services that we provide, and we're excited to show you. Thank you so much for touring this amazing property. If you love what you see,
and you want to learn more about who we are and the services we offer, check us out at gotravely.com.